In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch a fast WordPress website on Cloudways as a beginner. If you're a blogger, freelancer, local business owner, or just getting started with WordPress, you've probably seen both extremes. On one side, cheap shared hosting can be painfully slow, unreliable, and frustrating when your site starts getting traffic. On the other side, traditional cloud hosting can look overly technical and intimidating. Cloudways sits right in the middle by giving you the speed of major cloud providers through a much simpler dashboard so you can get started without dealing with complicated server setup. To begin, open your browser, go to cloudways.com, and click Start Free Trial in the top right corner. From there, fill in your details, create a password, and submit the form. One of the most beginner-friendly parts of Cloudways is that it offers a 3-day free trial without requiring a credit card, so you can explore the platform and test performance before committing. Once you're inside the setup area, you'll see a guided server and application wizard. In the application dropdown, choose WordPress using the latest optimized version available. This gives you a clean, ready-to-use WordPress installation without needing to configure everything manually. Next, look at the available cloud providers such as DigitalOcean, Vultr, AWS, and Google Cloud. For most beginners, DigitalOcean or Vultr are great starting points because they offer strong performance at a more affordable price. After that, choose your server size. For a typical beginner website like a blog, portfolio, or small business site, selecting 1 GB or 2 GB of RAM is usually a practical starting point. It gives you enough power for a solid launch while keeping costs manageable. Then choose the data center location closest to your main audience. This matters because the nearer your server is to your visitors, the faster your pages can load. Now review the pricing shown on the screen. Cloudways uses pay-as-you-go pricing, which means you're not locked into a long contract and you only pay for the resources you use. If everything looks good, click Launch Now. Cloudways will then begin setting up your server and optimized hosting stack automatically, which usually takes just a few minutes. As soon as your server becomes active, open your WordPress application from the dashboard. To secure your site, go to the SSL certificate section, enter your email address and your domain name, then click Install Certificate. This activates a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate, helping secure your site and enabling HTTPS. Before moving on, take a moment to review your application settings, server usage graphs, and backup status inside the dashboard. Make sure everything looks healthy and properly configured. Once that's done, your WordPress site is live, secure, and ready for you to start building. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.